Hello, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor, and today we're going to dive into one of the most serious and emotional aspects of family law, termination of parental rights. Termination of parental rights is a legal process that severs the relationship between a parent and their child. And it's not a decision that Texas courts take lightly. There are several key factors that judges consider during a termination of parental rights hearing, and it's important to understand them fully if you're involved in such a case. In Texas, termination of parental rights can occur voluntarily or involuntarily. Voluntary termination usually happens when a parent chooses to relinquish their rights, often in cases of adoption. However, the more complex and contentious situations arise when termination is involuntary, when one party is asking for the court to terminate another person's parental rights due to issues such as abuse, neglect, or abandonment. Let's explore the key factors judges consider when making a decision in these hearings. The first factor is the best interest of the child. In all family law cases involving children, Texas courts operate under the principle that any decision must prioritize the child's well-being. Judges will carefully weigh whether terminating a parent's rights will serve the child's best interest. This involves examining the emotional and physical needs of the child now and in the future. If the parent is unable to meet those needs, whether due to substance abuse, criminal activity, or chronic neglect, the court may decide that termination is appropriate. Another key factor is whether there's a history of abuse or neglect. If there's clear evidence that a parent has abused or neglected the child, this can weigh heavily in favor of termination. Texas law defines abuse and neglect in several ways, including physical harm, emotional abuse, or placing the child in dangerous situations. Judges will review any CPS reports, police records, or witness testimonies to attest to the severity of the allegations. Another important factor is whether the parent has engaged in criminal behavior or exhibited signs of dangerous conduct. For example, if a parent has been convicted of a violent crime, particularly one involving family members or children, this can be grounds for termination. The court wants to ensure that the child is not exposed to potentially harmful environments, and a history of criminal activity can be a major red flag. Additionally, Texas courts look at the parent's efforts to change. Has the parent demonstrated a commitment to improving their situation? Judges will review whether the parent has attended counseling, rehabilitation, or parenting classes, and whether they've complied with any court orders designed to help them regain custody of their child. If the parent has made genuine efforts but still cannot provide a safe and stable home, the court may conclude that termination is in the child's best interest. It's important to remember that terminating parental rights is considered a last resort in Texas. The court will always prefer to keep a child with their biological parents if it is safe and in the child's best interest. However, when it becomes clear that a parent is unwilling or unable to provide a safe and nurturing environment, the court may decide that termination is the best option for the child's future. If you or someone you know is facing a termination of parental rights case, it's critical to have an experienced attorney on your side. These cases are emotionally charged and legally complex, and having the right guidance can make all the difference. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, or if you have any questions about termination of parental rights or other family law issues, schedule a free 30-minute consultation with us today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on family law in Texas. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.